Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold on AXI Broker. So right now what we need to do is quite simple. We click right here on symbols and we go to the Metals Pro demo where we will find gold through Australian dollar. Then we click on show and right now we have it standing right there. And what we're gonna do right now is we throw this to the chart. And whoa, it's growing. It's looking amazing, guys. But we just want to create a position. So what we're gonna do right now is click here on new order, select here the amount of gold that we want to step in with. So the volume, I have it standing on 1, that is fine. Then you can select right here stop loss or take profit if you want to do this. Select here the order type and then just click right here on buy by market. And now we created ourselves a gold position. I'm using a demo account, so I can buy as much as I want, but be careful if you do this with your real trading account. But right now it's standing right here. We have the XAU to Australian dollar, and this is now our position. So yeah, we paid a lot of money for that. But this is how you can buy gold right here on AXI Broker. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.